The question is, a train covers a distance of 300 kilometers at a uniform speed. If the speed of the train is increased by 5 km per hour, it takes 2 hours less than in the journey. Find the original speed of the train. Now, let the constant speed of the train be x kilometer per hour. Now we use the formula time taken is equal to distance divided by speed. For traveling 300 kilometers, the distance is 300 kilometer and the speed be x. Now increasing the speed by x plus 5 kilometer per hour. Now the 300 kilometer, the train travel is, time taken is 300 divided by x plus 5. So if we subtract these two, we will get 2 hours. That is given. 2 hours less in the journey. That is 300 divided by x minus 300 divided by x plus 5. That's equal to 2. Now solving by cross multiplying this 300 into x plus 5 minus 300x the whole divided by x into x plus 5 is equal to 2. Again 300x plus 300 into 5 1500 minus 300x is equal to 2 into x plus 5. Here the 300x and 300x cancel. So 1500 is equal to 2 into x square plus 5x. That's equal to 1500 is equal to 2x square plus 10x. So rearranging we get 2x square plus 10x minus 1500 is equal to 0. So we will get a quadratic equation. Solving this quadratic equation, we will get the value of x. So for that, we need to factorize this quadratic equation. Before that, we divide the entire term by 2. That we will get x square plus 5x minus 750 is equal to 0. That implies x square plus 30x minus 25x minus 750 is equal to 0. That is, the sum is 5. That is 30 minus 25 is 5. And the product is 750. 30 into 25, that is 750. Now take x as common in these two terms. We'll get x plus 30. And from here, we'll take minus 25 as common. That is x plus 30. That is equal to 0. From here, we'll take x plus 30 as common. X plus 30 into x minus 25 is equal to 0. That means x plus 30 is equal to 0 or x minus 25 is equal to 0. That is x is equal to minus 30 or x is equal to 25. Your speed cannot be negative, so we cannot take this. Hence, x is equal to 25. That is the original speed of the train is 25 km per hour. That's all in this video, dear children.
Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. Hit that bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Like and share if you found this helpful. Your support helps us grow and reach more students. Leave a comment below with your math questions. Check out our video suggestions on the right. Together, let's conquer CBSE Maths.